Welding, Hot Work, and Electrical Equipment Safety. Welcome to this impactful course bundle designed to empower learners with essential knowledge to help mitigate risk while welding and interacting with electrical equipment on the job. Workers can access this interactive training anytime, anywhere on mobile, PC, and even using a VR headset. The 3-course bundle includes Welding and Hot Work Part 1. This foundational course helps learners understand hazard mitigation, how to avoid gas and fume exposure, as well as electric shock during welding operations. Welding and Hot Work Part 2. Building upon Part 1, this course emphasizes hazard identification, control methods, fire watch requirements, and hot work permits. Electrical equipment inspection. This course offers a primer on visually inspecting portable electric tools, as well as extension cords and 2- and 3-prong plugs. This bundle is sure to help workers become more self-aware about using proper PPE, while also understanding how to inspect, maintain, and prevent hazards related to welding and hot work.